do my stuff, build my websites, do my graphics. Hurry up, I need it yesterday. Hey guys, welcome back. This is Adrian Boysel, and this is the Adrian Graphics and Marketing channel. You've probably been wondering, and I've had a couple people ask me, what's your day look like? What is the day-to-day life of a graphic designer or a creative entrepreneur, or in my case, the CEO of a creative business? I have an agency, as you know. I do graphics and marketing for businesses, for corporations, small, medium, and large-sized companies. And so I want to take you guys through my day, do a little bit different of a video, change it up a little bit, change the scenery in a sense, see some of the inner workings and conversations that I'm having on a day-to-day basis and what my schedule looks like. I'm starting my day with an interview at 6:30 a.m. for the Instagraphics Pro Network Facebook group. This guy's gonna come into the group and add some value, so we're gonna have a lot of fun with that. Then I have another meeting, a phone meeting with a friend of mine from my $1 Billion Brotherhood meeting. And after that, got to take my daughter to school. After that, I got another sales meeting, which is great. And then at 9 o'clock sharp every single week, I do my one-on-one meeting, or actually my group meeting with my leadership team, with Amanda and Chris. The three of us get together and we strategize, we talk about our clients, we talk about what's happening, what growth strategies we're doing, and then I give them a download of everything in my brain from all the campaigns and marketing sessions and consulting sessions that I've done with people. And I just download all information to them, they put it into our system, and then it gets repopulated. So I'm gonna walk you through my day. You're gonna get to see what I'm doing one-on-one. I have multiple meetings, multiple sessions, gonna be doing trainings with people today, follow-up calls, all the things that I do on a day-to-day basis. We'll keep it somewhat short, but I just want you to see what it's like to have a day in the life of somebody that's out there aggressively going after it. And that's what you'll see. You'll see me going after it like I do every single day of the week. And sometimes I'm better on certain days than I am on others, but my favorite days of the week are media days, days when I get to sit with you guys, create content, share my life, share my story, and share value that's gonna help you guys grow your business and get to the next level. Hang with me. Thank you guys for watching, and make sure you hit that subscribe button if you enjoyed this video, and let me know, what does your day look like? What do you spend the most amount of your time on throughout your day? Because that's really important. You know, the resources that you have and the time that you spend on your business is very, very important, and you got to be able to spend it wisely. So share that with me. I'd love to know what you guys spend most of your time on, working on a day-to-day basis, and how are you growing your business. So I got my to-do list together. I know what I need to make happen for my day to be successful, and that's what I want to do. So let's go make it happen. Having her write some stuff up would be really good. And then we just take out the blog articles for now and just leave them on the nextgenseptics.com.
Yeah, so the 250 words would be, you know, this septic network is filled with contractors.
Because they do whatever they want, but here's a few.
But how did you find the right deadlines? Like, how do you set deadlines for what you're doing?
The thing that about a book is, it's basically, we can talk about task and time management. These are great subjects. Book is a perfect example of this.
Other people should be seeking out, because the discipline, the integrity, the character, the follow through, the commitment, the creed, the daily creed. I want somebody in my corner that I know is going to show up for me. I'll see you guys in the next video. And as always, keep looking up. Oh man, all right guys, well, it's been a busy day. It's already 5 o'clock in the evening. I can't believe it. I've had tons of phone calls, got to do 2 interviews. It was a very, very productive day. I didn't tell anybody what to do. How cool is that? Thank you guys so much for tuning in with me today. Thank you for being a part of my journey. I still have more follow-up calls to do on my way home. I'm gonna make those last few calls, but thank you guys for being with me. And make sure, if you're a creative, graphic designer, web designer, motion designer, and you need community, you wanna grow, you wanna be able to reach different levels and new levels of your career, jump on the Instagraphics Pro Network on Facebook. I'll drop a link in the description, and I'll see you guys in the next video. As always, keep looking up.